Welcome to our super echoey Airbnb here in La Paz. Maybe I should find somewhere with less of an echo. Let me just get straight into the tour. We have stayed at this Airbnb before. We loved it so much that we booked it again for this trip. And yeah, let me show you why it's so good. So you come straight in and you've got one of the bikes here, a little chair, just a little entryway really. It makes it so that this room here, where the bedroom is so much quieter. You've got your other bike here, another chair, the big comfy bed. I've slept in it before, I can confirm it is incredibly comfortable. You've got the TV and the Wi-Fi. You've got this shelving unit where we put our clothes once we unpack our bag, a little guitar in case you want to practice. This is one of the doors to the backyard area, but I'll take you first into the bathroom. So first here you've got the sink and the mirror, towels, stuff for cleaning, extra blanket, mirror, another place to hang clothes if you want to hang them. And then in here you have the toilet and the shower, which I think is a cool little space here. Back in here you come over this way into the kitchen. Solid space again. For hob, it's all gassed in, so you don't have to worry about that. Up in these cupboards, you've got everything that you need, including dishes. And then he's also left us some cooking stuff, coffee, oil, rice, a coffee pot. The most important of all, a garrafon full of water, which is awesome, and even a bottle of wine. What a gent Antonio is. Now here, a little grocery bag if you want to go to the local grocery store. How can I figure out how to unlock the door? Little tiled area out here. So nice. Last time we came here, it was April. So it was so hot out here. We never used this space, but now that it's January, I think we'll be having our coffee out here. It's so nice. Oh, little shaded area. And then one of the other reasons that we booked this place instead of trying another place that it perhaps is a little bit more centrally located, this is really just on the edge of town. It's a few minutes walk to the Malecon area, the boardwalk, is that there are 2 bikes included in your rental. So we can take them anywhere. On Sundays, they close the main street in La Paz, so you can ride bikes all the way down the road, in the middle of the road. It's great, there's no traffic. And some of the best beaches that we really enjoyed that are nearest are totally within reach on a bike. It's really flat here, so riding bikes is good. Let me just show you what they look like. So both of the bikes look like this. They're little beach cruisers. There's no gears or anything, but like I said, it's super flat. You got a lock on one of them. There's also a beach umbrella and a beach cooler. I'll show you the other bike, which he kept in here. We had such a good sleep last night in that bed. It's so comfortable. There was an extra blanket, which we needed because it got a little chilly at night. But once we put the second blanket on, it was so cozy. But like every apartment, nowhere is perfect. The apartment is $29 a night, which is kind of a bargain for the bikes and the fact that you still have a full kitchen, a huge bed, really good internet. But cooking in here long term, like renting this place for a month, if you enjoy cooking, could be a little bit of not a problem, but a bother. And it's not necessarily that there's a problem with the cooking, it's more that there's a problem with the washing. The shower and the bathroom have great water pressure. The water gets really hot, you have like a little switch that you flick that turns the hot water heater on, and it gets really hot. But there's no hot water in here, and really, there's hardly any water in here. Let me show you. Here's the faucet on full. As you can see, it might be a problem for washing the dishes. And the other problem is obviously it doesn't get very hot. So you gotta really let that go for a little bit. Let me not waste the water. Like many places in Mexico, La Paz has like a bit of a water shortage issue every now and again, so I completely understand this situation. Maybe at other times of year, like closer to the wet season, the water pressure is better. Obviously for the shower they use a tank, but it seems like this must come like straight from the grid, which is why the water pressure isn't so great. But otherwise, truly there are no problems with this apartment. We have been sitting outside in the sunshine having coffee. The guy who runs the Airbnb, Antonio, is an absolute legend. He's such a great host. Both times we've stayed, he has left us drinks. The first time we stayed, there was a 6-pack of beer in the fridge. This time there was a bottle of wine for us, a nice note. He remembered that we'd stayed here before and left us a lovely little note. So yeah, it's a great spot. If you're coming here for vacation and you're not gonna cook, who cares? So yeah, that's this place. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tour. It's a great little apartment and I can't wait to get back out on those bikes and ride along the Malecon this afternoon and explore more beaches. If you enjoyed checking out this apartment, please give this video a thumbs up. It really supports my channel, and I will see you next time for more La Paz content. Bye.